Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box of the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 3rd of October, and these are the charts of the day. Really negative day on Wall Street, and the markets did bounce late in the day, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. We did get down to my targets, and so I'm expecting some kind of bounce, but we are not, I wasn't convinced with the late rally. Let's put it that way. But there's still some stocks long and short to talk about trading-wise. ALXO exploded today. After taking a dip down at 360, it exploded to 1166, believe it or not, before pulling back 4 points. Now, a big day for the stock on 42 million shares. Net with pre-market traded 55 million shares. So it was a really big day for it. And you can see how the stock may have triggered the beginning of a larger move with resistance now at 12 and 14. On the short side, BLDR and builders and home building supply organizations charts have starting to roll over. You can see that BLDR, which was a big winner, it went from what, 50 to 150, tripled, came down, bounced, rolled over from the bear flag. That really got hit hard today, down to 465. Looks like the targets are 112 and 100. DHI, one of the home builders I just mentioned, and which had rolled over and then snapped back, forming a negative consolidation, or bear consolidation, I should say, underneath the moving averages and the declining tops line, continued to slide with today's drop accelerating from 107.25 to 100 and finishing near the low at 100.80, finishing at the low for the day, going away. This could spill over to 95 pretty quickly. On the plus side, Fusn Pharmaceuticals had a big pop after dropping from 5 to about 230. You can see that big spike today from 248 to 354, finishing 331, up about 33.5%. And with that kind of volume, I think the stock could spike up. It is thin. We shall see if there's a follow through. Next target, 4.25. Another is Gritstone, which had, you can see since April, been declining since it was 3 into the 115 range, has almost doubled to 211 today and finished 198. I was up 15% today. The volume perked up to 6.8 million. Target 265 and 3.25. Immx, nice follow through day today. After dipping to 387, it popped at 480 and finished 459, up 26 cents or 6%. But my target is now 5.5 and 6. Intel announced the split of the company into two, and the company and the stock popped today. You can see that it's been in a beautiful long-term rising channel since the March low, when it was in the mid-20s, taking it to the high 30s, only to pull back into the 33.4 zone and bouncing 36.59 up 113 in a lousy market today. I'll take it. Your target might be a retest back up towards 39.40. Another builder, KBH, falling apart. The head and shoulder top broke. The flag broke. It's at the neckline, or should I say support line of the next level. And I think we're going to see 41 and 39 next on this one. LW, Tech Trader swing short, came down, bear flag, came down, a big bear flag, and then rolled over hard today, got whacked to 88. Looking like this might have legs into the high 70s. Nnox, well, after we had a great swing on it in May, it then came down for the next several months in an orderly but steep angle. Today it popped from 660 to 758 on a manufacturing deal, and it sure looks like technically it broke out. The volume was 3.5 million, closing into the upper end of the range. I put a swing on it. My targets are about 8 3/4, 9, and then maybe as high as 11. We'll see where that goes. SAVA, nice spike up off the low too. This is the lowest level we've seen on this one since. I have to go even further back than that. Let's see. Hang on a moment. Yeah, 1384 when it spiked down in July 22. But today's low, 1632, and it ended up popping 94 cents or 5.6%. Keep an eye on this one, particularly if it breaks out over 18.25.5. And finally, SYM on the short side with a double left shoulder head and a right shoulder with a bear flag, and then another little tight flag. This one broke down today, losing $3 or almost 9%. And the target's going forward at 26 3/4, 27, and then 23.5, something like that. That's a quick look at some of the hot longs and shorts at detectrader.com. Good night, everybody.